So now I'm going to how to configure the .1 express policy for the any NAT group, any static host list. Okay, so I'm going to, when going to configure the any service, please go to the configuration. I'm going to newly configure the .1x service. Okay, so go to configure first, go to configure, click on add, select the particular service. So there are multiple template already in the Aruba, so I am selecting wired only. Okay, this is a default template. Don't change the template, don't change the condition, only change the third condition. When I am going to configure the condition, please make sure that this third condition may be applicable. All two condition may be same, not going to same. Okay, not going to change. So first go into service, put a name, any name. I'm just putting the .1x dot 802, 1 second, just a moment, 802.1x service for endpoint points. Okay, so enter the name, any name, not specify number, any name. If you understand, you understand. If you are not anything, on put a name. Authorization, click on authorization. Posture compliance should be there. Okay, should be there in a posture compliance. We are going to configure .1x or Mac authentication policy. Profile endpoint should be, click on that box. Audit and host not required, not mandatory. So when going to authentication, select the authentication by default. This is the if PEAP by default selected. Can you, that's it. Authentication source need to be your AD servers. I am selecting my AD servers. Authorization is the AD server. This is also equal to the AD server. Okay, role mapping, guest role, no, not required guest role. You can put the user mapping. This is user mapping role. So we see this is the when going to configure the Mac OS service, any .NET service, we need to configure the role, enforcement, and profile should be appropriate configure as per your requirement. So my already is role is there, so I'm depending on the role and same role mapping over here. Posture policy should be, posture policy be there. I have the posture policy. I'm adding the new posture policy. Maybe there or not, I don't know. I'm creating new one policy, creating new posture policy. Configure. I'm just enabling the Windows 10 machine. That's it. I'm not going to let this. That's it. Okay, this is rules. Okay, fine. As rules need to be configured here. Allow is one rule. Fine. One sec. Okay, okay. One rule for more services for quarantine. This is a rule. Fine. This is fake. Okay. So this is a save. Name must be specified. I'm not going to paste by the name. I'm just posture new UA. Okay. Enter the name. That's it. So posture policy has been created. So okay. This is our enforcement policy. Profile should be the way going to .1x and fine. Posture only set enable posture not selected. So posture point should be selected over here. Why not coming to then? I'm just checking the remove the posture, some compliance issue. So I'm just checking why not coming to the posture. So I have already posture is there. So why not coming? I'm just checking the again the policy when going to create that going to total down. The work is workflow is a Clearpass top to bottom. So please make sure that you service reorder the service and go to top as per your designing webauth, macauth, and the above the macauth. Okay, so my service has been created and is again going to change the okay, so 1 second. This is not my policy. I'm just policy Cisco. Maybe not this one. This is our policy. So one condition is missing over here. Can you check this is condition for connection? We can apply the connection. This is my client MAC address. This is my NAT IP. When the switch IP address belong to this group, belongs to groups group, can belong to any group, any static policy. You can belong to map over here. So these two conditions are same. Third condition may be as per your requirement, as per the your requirement, as per your designing. I am putting the NAT IP address, switch IP address. Okay, one more thing, I am just facing the issue on the posture profile. Posture, why posture coming issue? One second, I am just checking. Oh, sorry. I'm not going to select. See, one second, some mistake over there. This is okay. So when going to sorry, I'm confused for other policy. So this policy, when going to configure the .1x policy, no need to configure the posture assessment. Posture only web policy. No need, only for the posture endpoint. That's it. Okay. No need to posture compliance. No need to configure the posture compliance. Only this policy for web need to configure the posture. .1x and Mac auth not required the posture. Okay. Make sure that don't configure the posture. Only authorizations, authentication. That's it. I think this removes. Okay, this is a policy. So when going to configure any .1x policy, please make sure that this is a policy rules. Condition may be same. Please use the template. Already template. The third rule, no. First rule, second rule, no need to change the conditions. Only the third condition need to be changed. That's it. You can put over the MAC address, any required as per this C. This is a client domain, client IP, client MAC, this host name, vendor name. You can specify as per your choice. Okay. SSID also you can put in over. As per SSID you can push over this. Okay. You can. So this is a policy creation .1x. Thank you for watching this show.